Hello, welcome back. And today I'm going to be showing you how to draw, I don't know, something. I'm going to draw something. So you want to make it any kind of generic eye, and don't make it that hard for the person to make. So, okay, so you're going to make them very happy, like they're in shock that you bought them a present, because you never buy anyone a present because of how poor you are. Because you're really poor, that's why you don't buy a present. Oh my god. Okay, so you're going to draw a half-as made hand. Okay, the thumb isn't really good, but normally it doesn't bend that much. It's like so, more or less like this, to draw it normally. But you're going to make it single line strokes, which is not that hard. And you're gonna give them a kitty hairstyle, because that's the whole personality, honestly. Kalika?
Senpai, I didn't know you were gonna come here a few minutes ago. But I'm a piece of shit, so you know how much I don't like respecting anyone in my class? Well, that's why.
You get the point of what they are. You're gonna draw them a chicken fat. No, I'm joking. You're gonna draw them a stick on the hair. And if you're wondering about brush does not matter. Matters is if you have arm. If you don't have arm, you cannot continue the step. Well, you could use feet, but feet is harder. So you're going to give them a generic hairstyle. So you're going to make it a neck. I'm going to give them a generic uniform. It's kind of how it works. How you could draw something like this. Okay, and then I think we're gonna color it like really simply. So just leave it at this percent. And we're just gonna fill it in like with color. It doesn't even matter what color it is. Just make sure it doesn't look that bad. It could look like looks like anime or whatever. See, it's not that hard if you think about it to make this. You just need talent, and I don't think you have that yet. But if you don't have it, that's okay. There's other things you could do. Not necessarily drawing is like the only thing. If you can't draw, well, I mean, you might be able to sing. Who knows? Just have to give you a shot and try your best. That's kind of what the purpose of life is. So you're going to make random scribble here and there. Doesn't really matter where you're going to make the scribble, and make it have fun. Not really fun. This isn't that fun, but it's fun because I don't know. Well, but just